Hi, this is your Dr. Priya Koneru, ex-Lead Cap Director, YSRCP Party. Today I'm here to talk about how this coalition government is cheating women by promising before elections without even fulfilling. They are taking advantage of the poor and underprivileged people. Before elections, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, he promised that he will help women to grow and to establish, rather than helping, he is financially making them uncertain and weak. So many women, they depended on these self-help loans and so many other schemes, but this coalition government not even doing one scheme. Bank loans to self-help groups to sustain them was fallen very sharply, and it led to economic disadvantage for women, and it weakened the women so much, and they were not able to look forward to do any business or do any activity without depending on the family. During YSRCP government, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, he promised so many schemes to the women for their welfare and for their development. And he fulfilled all those schemes while the period of 2019 to 24, like YSR Asra, Cheyuta, Jagananna Todu, EBC Nestam, and Kapu Nestam, zero interest loans for the women. During this period, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu not only giving the schemes, going forward, he took responsibility of taking care of the poor and underprivileged women who can come up on their own by doing the self-help businesses. Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, he introduced several livelihood programs partnering with major companies that helps women to sustain and grow financially and go forward by educating their kids and take care of their family. Due to these major companies coming forward, there are so many opportunities were created, but this coalition government is weakening, and day by day the woman, without giving any schemes, only just giving afford promises without fulfilling them. I don't understand why Chandrababu Naidu Garu is not even thinking the underprivileged women who cannot sustain on their own without having these schemes. Leaving the women without support which they depended on, that made them to be very weak. During the elections times, Chandrababu Naidu Garu has promised so many schemes for women, especially Adabita Nidhi, pension for SC, ST, BC, minority above 50 years, and free cylinders, free bus travel. Betrayal didn't stop there. Not even a single new house patta has given, or the documents has given to any of the women which they promised. Initially, when YSRCP government is there, so many women got their pattas and it is allotted. But after CBN government has come, they cancelled all those new house pattas, and they didn't even show them any alternative. When Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu was ruling, he introduced Disha system for women's safety, but this coalition government dismantled the Disha system without even taking care of women. We can listen and see and hear so many cases are happening, tragedies are happening to the women. Sugali Preeti case, that small 5-year-old baby died recently. Keeping this in mind, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu thought about women's safety so much, and he really kept his heart and soul for the women's safety and responsibility. When Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu was doing Padayatra, he saw so many poor women stayed back at home without even marriages because of the poor parents. He thought about the scheme like Pelli Kanuka to young women who wants to get married. But Chandrababu Naidu Garu discontinued it, and he was not even thinking about how this poor people can do marriages. I'm begging this government, at least keep your heart open for the poor people so that they can survive by self-help and all these schemes whatever you have promised. Chandrababu Naidu Garu's government has failed utterly. Everything what is required, safety, housing, livelihood, welfare, everything was taken away from women so badly in this government. I wish Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu is seeing everything what the women are suffering in this government, and he takes a step forward, talk to women who are suffering in every constituency, not only in one place, every constituency, whole Andhra is looking for you, Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. We want you to come back and take care of the women welfare of Andhra Pradesh. My request for this coalition government, promises are not for winning the election, Chandrababu Naidu Garu. It's for taking care of the welfare of women and their safety. It is very important to make them economically strong so that they can support their families and they can do their businesses. And women are the one who is the future for bringing up all the young kids and to grow. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, you said that you will give 3 cylinders for a whole year, but so many people they didn't get their cylinders in this crucial time of petrol, diesel, and the gas hikes. Poor people cannot afford to buy the gas cylinders on their own because it's very expensive. We beg you, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, please implement that scheme of 3 cylinders for the woman which you promised. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, you said that free bus for women, and that free bus you restricted it to very less number of buses. People who are working very far from their villages, they have to travel every day and night. They leave their families and they go for the work. If you restrict the buses to very less number, Andhra Pradesh women's strength is the lot of population actually. Why you are not counting that as your strength, Chandrababu Naidu Garu? We urge you that improve the number of buses for women so that they can travel freely and earn and sustain very well. Please release zero interest loans from the banks so that all these women who are dependent on self-help, they can get amount and do businesses well and they can survive day-to-day life very well. We want you to understand and go through that analysis of taking care of women so that they can be strong and they can be a backbone for Andhra. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, I'm very sure you might understand women who are above 50, especially SC, ST, BC, minority people, they cannot afford to buy their medicines. You stopped giving medical treatments for the poor people. You stopped education. You stopped medical education for the poor people, and you stopped giving houses for the poor. You stopped giving loans for the poor people. We want to bring to your notice, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, even in your house you have women around who are above 50. You know what are the pains, sufferings that they can face. Please try to understand and help women so that they can take care of their health. Please implement the scheme of zero interest loans. My straight question to Chandrababu Naidu Garu, when you gonna implement all the schemes what you have promised for the woman? We demand your answer, Chandrababu Naidu Garu, and this coalition government. You do talk so much and you advertise so much, but what Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu has done for women, please go through that. How they fulfilled every need in their house and how they educated their kids when Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu is ruling. Chandrababu Naidu Garu, you cheated Andhra woman by 12th of this June. 2 years of backstabbing is too much for women.